Oh yeah. Them things flies right through. Big flying monster.
Wait till those strobes are on there. It's going to look awesome.
Yeah.
Wait till this evening when the sun starts going down.
Oh yeah.
We can see the lights. That's what's going to be neat, to see the lights up in the air.
Oh yeah. Now this thing's awesome. Big flying monster. Big grasshopper. You know it?
And it's my engineering on it.
Yeah. Like a monster. Got his wings on it.